Hi, my name's Zach Miller. I'm here representing Nautical Pathfinder here in beautiful Iztapa, Guatemala. We are here for the Bravest versus Finest fishing tournament. This tournament was brought together by myself and a couple of colleagues in Colorado to raise funds for mental health for first responders. Our tournament brings both cops, firefighters, EMS, and all first responders to compete in a tournament here in Guatemala. During this tournament, first responders are going to have the opportunity to catch marlin, sailfish, tuna, or dorado. This tournament brings together responders from all over the world that can have fun, get to meet new people, share stories, and focus on the mental health. Mental health has been a huge issue within the first responder community and continues to get worse. We want to be able to provide opportunities for individuals to share their stories, learn from other stories, but also to make awareness and create funding for first responder mental health. We are excited to be here. This is our second time having this, and we want to bring awareness to all the struggles that all first responders have. And we're here to just have a good time, relax, and not think about maybe some of the calls that we have. We've been fortunate enough to have great partners as Pacific Fins to co-sponsor us and help us with this organization to create funding for our first responders and mental health. And we're here to have a great time and to compete.
How you doing? My name is Chris Dominici.
My name is Juan Manuel Cobar.
My name is Jay Rodriguez.
I work in Pacific Fins, Guatemala. I have fished for years. Like my dad taught me how to fish when I was 3 years old. I fish a lot in Guatemala, maybe 20, 30 days a year. I really enjoy fishing. Fishing is basically my life.
I am one of the co-owners here of Pacific Fins in Guatemala, and I happen to also be a retired law enforcement officer from Florida. So after 25 years of the job, I am part of Team Finest.
I am part of Team Bravest. I am a retired New York City Fire Department, and Did 21 years in the fire department, and since retired, and now enjoying life fishing down here in Guatemala.
This is not my first competition. This is my first time of fishing Bravest versus Finest. Of course, our host Zach has asked us to. We've hosted this trip many times, but I've never fished it, so this is my first day of actually fishing it. So it's quite a treat for me, being a partner in the ownership and also fishing this great tournament. This is not my first time in Guatemala. I fell in love with Guatemala about 7 years ago when I came here to Pacific Fins, and my partners and I have come down here multiple times. We fished multiple tournaments, so we loved it so much that when we decided to opportunity presented itself, and we went ahead and bought the place. So not my first time.
This is actually my second tournament with the Bravest vs. Finest sailfish tournament. I was in last year's tournament. It's my first time catching sailfish, and we had a great time. So we came back again.
Today was really good. I was with a really nice team in Chechos, hosting them. We'll try to help them. There were a lot of friends there. So we did good. We released 4 sailfish and a blue marlin.
You know, fishing's fishing. You have your days with high numbers, low numbers. Today's were decent numbers, and really it's just bringing everybody on board. What I love about the competitions, any tournaments, is the end of the day what we're doing now. Everybody gets in the pool, has a cocktail, relaxes, gets ready for something to eat. We all talk about our day, what fish we lost, what fish we caught, what was our favorite fish, and then again we get to do it all again tomorrow. So this is always my favorite part. For the first day I think it went well. Seas were a little rough in the morning. They turned out pretty calm in the afternoon. Everybody had great weather, great time, and now it's just time to relax, form a bond between police, firemen, all our supporters out there, and of course we're doing this for first responders. So we're at the end of the day, we're all on the same team.
First day of the competition is great. You get to really get to know guys on the boat. You hear stories. We're all made up of cops and firemen, so we all have a history. And nothing better than to share one story over a day of fishing and getting to know each other. The goal of the Bravest is to actually beat the Finest. We are the best, and we have to just prove it. So that's what we're here doing.
Well, the goal of my team in the Bravest vs. Finest is just win every day, win the tournament, and teach the Bravest who commands the tournament.
My name is Adam Brown.
My name is Daniel.
This is the second year I've been down to the Bravest versus Finest fishing tournament in Guatemala.
And this is my first time here in Guatemala and my first time participating in a fishing tournament. I am part of the Finest group. The goal of our group in this competition is to work together and catch as many fish as we can to beat the Bravest.
We have really good fishing. This is day 2, and we had good fishing today. We were like 10 for 13.
The second day was much better than the first. We caught more fish, we worked better as a team, and overall the waters treated us very well.
We caught, I believe, blue marlin and 11 sailfish today, and the blue marlin put on the most magnificent show you've ever seen. He just aired it out and skitzed out like you've never seen a blue marlin. There's nothing greater about this. Had 2 young firefighters from Colorado with me, and they did a great job. They're doing a good job fishing, and he caught his first blue marlin today, and it's just a great thing to be part of.
We had a minor problem on the boat, but thanks to our great team, we were able to get over that.
That was horrible.
Hey, I'm Andrew Facchini. I'm from Seattle, Washington, and I'm here as a firefighter. So coming out here to the Bravest vs. Finest tournament, obviously being a firefighter, having a friendly competition with others, and with also law enforcement was the main reason I came out to fish. But I was also told that it was going to be great company, going to be gorgeous environment, but it wasn't just about the fishing. It was about that friendly competition, good service, good people, and overall just a safe, fun experience.
Hi, it's Zach Miller. Welcome back to Bravest vs. Finest 2026. We just finished our last day, our third day of fishing. We had some incredible fishing. We caught over 100 sailfish and 5 blue marlin. We've had tons of anglers that got to catch their first sailfish and their first blue marlin. We're super thankful to be here, and we can't wait to see everyone in next April for our 2027 Bravest vs. Finest. We owe a huge thanks and shout out to Pacific Fins for hosting us and providing a great fishing experience. We want to thank everyone, and we're super blessed to have all our first responders here. I know we had our cops and I know we had our firefighters, but at the end of the day, we all came together and we were all brothers and sisters, and teamwork makes the dream work, and we're here to help our communities, help our brothers and sisters, and putting mental health first for our first responders. Help those who help you. Thank you, and next time.